Welcome to the world of magic and meditation. Today we will reveal to you the secrets of creating magic circles, an ancient practice that will help you tune into deep meditation and create an energy field of protection and power. A magic circle is a sacred space we create to protect and amplify our energy. It is a portal to another world where your intentions gain power and meditation becomes magical. Before you start creating the circle, gather the necessary attributes: candles, crystals, incense, and salt. These items will help you to create a magical atmosphere and strengthen the energy of your circle. The first step is to cleanse the space. Light incense and slowly walk around the place where your circle will be. Visualize how the smoke clears the negative energy and fills the space with light and harmony. Now let's define the boundaries of your magic circle. Use salt or crystals to outline the circle. Feel how your space fills with protective energy, creating an invisible wall of light. Candles are sources of light and energy. Place them on the perimeter of the circle and light them, imagining how their flame illuminates your way to the inner world and strengthens the magic of your circle. Come into the center of your circle, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Feel the protection and power surrounding you. Let your consciousness sink into meditation, where every breath you take fills you with magical energy. Now you know how to create a magic circle for meditation. Let this circle become your space of strength and tranquility. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about ancient practices and secrets of meditation. See you in the world of magic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give it a like. Follow the magic.